Finally, yes. Thank you, God. It's over. I told my baby it was Thomas the Train. She likes that commercial. Jesus, that's why she isn't crying. She's usually scared of the train. Say hi, Tink. Wave your hand. Nana. Say hi. She laid back like, just push me in the breeze. She chilling. Some of her little beads done fell off. Her hair's so curly that even the damn braids curl. Now that's ridiculous. That's ridiculous, isn't it? It's like I can't do anything to her hair. Even the braids curl up. Her hair is extremely curly. It's hard. I'm surprised I was able to put these beads in it, but I kind of like it. I should have just used one solid color instead of different ones. But whatever, the train is going, Tink. Time for us to go home. Uh-oh.